All right, guys, today when I do a quick review on my digital voice recorder, it's this one right here. I just want to go over a couple of things that it comes with, some of the awesome features and kind of what I use it for. So you get the instruction manual because there are quite a couple buttons. It's simple to use though. It's even got a display in the front, which comes in super handy. You get the charger, which is a micro charger like this. And then you get the headphones that you can plug in directly. So if you don't want it to play out on speaker, you can just kind of hook it up and use it as like that. It comes with 64 gigs of memory. There we go. It's a micro SD card. And it already comes with it. So you don't have to go get a new one. It's already built in. That'll get you about 4,500. It's like over 4,500 minutes worth of time of recording. So I attend a lot of conferences, and sometimes as I'm trying to take notes on my phone, like you can miss something as you're already saying something as you're typing. So this has made it very convenient to just kind of like have it on me, and then I can always go back and reference anything that I might have missed during my notes, or especially like if you're in school, this can definitely help, during class or anything like that. So if you're looking for an awesome digital voice recorder, I highly recommend this one. It's a 10 out of 10.